Did I catch you singing? That sure was pretty. Did you go high to sing a little song? Woo! Woo! It was pretty, wasn't it, Earl? Oh, well, I don't know. I guess maybe you didn't like it. Did you like it, Earl? Percy likes it. He wants to play with you. Percy liked it, Earl. Or me, Buster. You didn't know I was out here, did you? I tricked him, Earl. I tricked you. I tricked you, Buster. You got a big rocket? We can't push the thing down and make it go up in the air anymore. Now that you cockatieled it. Oh, that's just gonna make you destroy it even faster. Then I say, what happened? And you say, I don't know. Oh, interesting. Mm. Earl. Uh-oh. Buster's invisible. Oh no, where'd he go? Buster, where'd you go? It's done. You destroyed it. Good job. Who did all that damage to the wall over there? Oh, okay. Hi, Buster. Buster. Come here. Come here. Don't bother Earl. Come here. Thank you. Somebody's playing some loud music, huh? Buster, you're like, don't disturb this groove. Earl. Early birdie. Are you gonna sing? That was so pretty. I love when you sing. Are you all done now? Woo! Woo! Is that your song, Earl? Percy bird, give me a kiss. Just so everybody know, Percy has timeout too. I just don't always video it. You give me a kiss? Mwah. You have so many pin feathers. Does that feel good, Percy bird? Hmm. Does that feel good? Is that good? Is that the Mickey Mouse song? Oh, yeah. Is that the Mickey Mouse song? And tequila. Mm-hmm. Woo! Woo! That's Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse. And a little tequila. Mm-hmm. Woo! Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Get it, Percy. Good job. Tequila. Percy bird. You want to play? You doing your little happy beak like Buster? Hmm? Percy bird. Percy bird. Mickey Mouse. Mm-hmm. Are you done? Percy bird. Yeah, you're done. Where's Pikachu? Huh? Pika Pika. Pika. Choo! Are you Pikachu? Pika. Choo! Percy bird. Say bye. Bye. Little Buster. Are you Little Buster? Are you Little Buster? Yeah. Mini Buster. That's just what I need. Mm-hmm. 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 Wow. Wow. Bye, Percy bird. Percy bird. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Percy. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.